These are the problems of definite integral. These problems are very easy. Just you first integrate x to the power 5 by 5. The lower integral is minus 2, upper integral is 3. Just put 3 to the power 5. Take this is 5 minus, put this minus 2 here, minus 2 to the power 5. So it becomes 3 to the power 5 plus 2 to the power 5 by 5. You will find the answer, which is very easy for you. Similarly, this is x to the power 4 by 3 by 4 by 3, and the lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1. It is 3 by 4, x to the power 4 by 3 and 0 to 1. So 3 by 4 is taken outside. You just put 1 here. It is 1 minus 0. The result is 3 by 4. Similarly, it is x to the power minus half. X to the power minus half, its integration is x to the power minus half plus 1, that is root x, into by minus half plus 1, that is 2 root x. Why? There is another method, because the derivative of 2 root x is also 1 by root x, because 2 root x का derivative 1 by 2 root x है, 1 by 2 root x into 2, तो 1 by root x हो गया. So you can do it also by taking x to the power minus half. You will get the answer 1 to 4. Then 2 will come outside. You will just put root 4 minus root 1. That is 2. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. That is 2. Next. What is integration of dx by x to the power 3 1 to 3? It is x to the power minus 3 plus 1. That is x to the power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1. 1 2 3. And you put 1 by minus 2 here into 1 by x square, and you put here 1, then 3 here, 1 by minus 2. Okay, then put that 3 here, 1 by 9 minus 1. So it is, the result is minus 8 by 9 into half, that is 1 by 2 into 8 by 9. Answer will be 4 by 9. Just you put the value, first integrate, then put the value. These are very simple things, 1 2 3 4. Similarly, you can do also the problems this, integrate each part, or directly you can write 4 x का इंटीग्रेशन x स्क्वायर बाई 2. फाइनल क्या हो गया? फाइनल हो गया ये 2x स्क्वायर. ओके, इट इज 2x स्क्वायर. 4x का इंटीग्रेशन 2x रूट x x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, that is 3 by 2 ऊपर गया 2 to the 2 by 3, x to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 by x to the power 1 by x to the power 1 by 3. वो ऊपर गया तो कितना होगा? x to the power minus 1 by x to the power minus 1 by 3 plus 1, that is what? x to the power minus 1 by 3 plus 1, x to the power 2 by 3 by 2 by 3 means it will become 3 by 2 plus 1 by x square, x to the power minus 2, x to the power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1, that is 1 by x minus 1 by x. Then you can put the upper lower limit 1 and upper limit 2, you will find the answer. Mind it, when you will do, you should be very cautious about the calculations. Okay, then for this part you have to just multiply minus 1 to 2. What is the multiplication? It is 2x square plus, I am directly writing it, plus x minus 4x. It becomes minus 3x. Okay, it becomes minus 3x minus 2 the dx. Then you can do it directly. What is the integration? X square का integration x 3 by 3. So 2 by 3 x cube 2 into x 3 by 3. That is 2 by 3 x cube minus 3 x का इंटीग्रेशन x स्क्वायर बाई 2. x स्क्वायर यहाँ रखो तो 2 को 3 by 2 कर दो, माइनस यहाँ माइनस 2 हुआ, माइनस 2x. अपर लिमिट कौन है? अपर लिमिट 1, सॉरी अपर लिमिट 2 and the lower limit is 1, then you can put the value and get the answer. These types of problems are very easy for you. You can do it directly in the examination. But in some problems like those are doing there. What are those? Last 4 problems I will do it one by one. First, in these types of problem, it is integration of 0 to 1 2x plus 1 to the power 4 dx. In these types of problem, you should not expand this. You first integrate. For integration, take let I is equal to integration of 2x plus 1 to the power 4 dx. And you know, if you will put, then you will also get the answer. What is, you have to put t is equal to 2x plus 1. T is what? 2 dx. And integration, it becomes 2x plus 1 का power 4 है, so t to the power 4 into, in place of dx you have to put half dt, that is half will come outside, integration t fourth dt, it is 1 by 2, integration of t fourth is what? T 5 by 5. So finally its result is 1 by 10. 1 by 10 t to the power 5. T to the power 5 means 2x plus 1 to the power 5. यहाँ c लिखने का कोई जरूरत नहीं. Then what you will do? Then you have to just write like this: 0 to 1 2x plus 1 dx integration is equal to 1 by 2 will go outside. You just put 1 by 2 here. Write 2x plus 1 to the power 5, then put your limit 0 to 1, it becomes 1 by 2. When you will put, you will get, you will put 1, then you will get 3 to the power 5 minus 1 to the power 5, because when you will put 0, you will get 1 to the power 5. So here what you have to very careful about a thing, that is, first you integrate, find the result in x, then write your definite integral question. You have to write the question and put this value here, and 0 to 1 you will get the answer. Okay, this is one type of problem. Another type problem, look at me, take the screenshot of this. Next, I am doing this problem in 2 methods, mind it. Both are very important for you. First, I am writing I x to the power 7 1 plus x to the power 8 to the power 1 by 3 dx. Naturally, the derivative of we have to put t q is equal to 1 plus x to the power 8, then 3t square dt is equal to 8x to the power 7 dx. Then first you have to write the what? 1 plus x to the power 8 to the power 1 by 3 into x to the power 7 dx. Okay, then 1 plus x to the power 8 to the power 1 by 3, it is just simply t. And x to the power 7 dx, in this place you have to put 3 by 8 t square dt. Now 3 by 8 will go outside. It is integration of t q dt. It is 3 by 8 into t 4 by 4. The answer is 3 by 32 into, what is t to the power 4? What is t? T is what? 1 plus x to the power 8 to the power 1 by 3. The answer is 1 plus x to the power 8 to the power what? To the power 4. 3 by 32 is coming outside. 1 plus x to the power 8 to the power what? 4. T to the power 4 means it is power 3 by 4. And here what we have to do? Here I have to do as x to the power 7 into 1 plus x to the power 8 dx integration result what to what 0 to 1 is nothing but 3 by 32 will come outside, 1 plus x to the power 8 whole to the power 4 by 3, it is 0 to 1 this part. Then you will put what? Put first the upper limit 3 by 32, upper limit you will put it becomes 2 to the power 4 by 3 minus 1 to the power 4 by 3, that is 1. This is a method 1. Now I am doing this problem in method 2. What is that method 2? Here I am taking I, then doing the problem, putting tq, put tq is this. I am not taking the lower integral, upper integral, total I integrate. After that, this definite integral, this is the integral result is this. Then I put the upper limit and lower limit. In this problem, what I am doing, suppose x to the power 7, 1 plus x to the power 8 to the power 1 by 3 dx is there. And you are going to, it is 0 to 1. And you are going to put tq is equal to 1 plus x to the power 8. Okay. Then 3t square dt is equal to 8x to the power 7 dx. Then if you have to maintain the lower limit and upper limit, it is very important for you to find x to the power 8 is what? X to the power 8, what is t? You have to put when x is equal to 0, what is t? T is 1 plus x to the power 8 to the power 1 by 3. You have to write when x, here lower limit is 0, that is x is equal to 0. To upper limit 1, upper limit 1 means x is equal to 1. When x is equal to 0, put t is equal to what? 1. When x is equal to 1, t is what? 2 to the power 1 by 3. It is what? 2 to the power 1 by 3. Okay. Now, what happens to the problem? The question becomes, so the integration from x is equal to 0 to 1. When x is equal to 0, t is 1. When x is equal to 1, t is 2 to the power 1 by 3. And this integration becomes x to the power I am writing this x to the power 7 in this place, x to the power 7 dx. And in this place x to the power 7 dx, what we have to write? X to the power 7 dx, you have to write 3 by 8. 3 by 8. 3 by 8 means 3 by 8 will go outside 3 by 8. Then it becomes x to the power 7 dx. 3 by 8 t square dt. And this part 1 plus x to the power 8 to the power 1 by 2. 1 plus x to the power 1 by 2. 1 plus x to the power 8 whole to the power 1 by 3 is just t. So the total integration becomes 3 by 8 integration 1 to 2 to the power 1 by 3. It is dq dt and its integration is 3 by 8. Its integration is what? T4 by 4 and it is 1. It is 2 to the power 1 by 8. So 3 by 8 will 3 by 32 is coming outside. So you have to put the value of 2 to the power 1 by 3 in place of t, that is 2 to the power 4 by 3 minus 1. Okay, because 4 is going outside, you have to put the upper limit value here, then minus the lower limit value, and it is the answer matching with this. What is the difference? Which way you will select? You should select this, because after clearing the integration, you can put it directly. Otherwise, if you will do by this method, you have to change everything. You have to change t, you have to change x, you have to change the upper limit, lower limit, which is very difficult. Perhaps I think it is two methods are there. Okay. Okay, I am telling it again. Why this changes? If you will convert this x to t, suppose this x to t, and maintaining the limits, you will change the x. You have to change t in place of x. Okay, you are changing, but you have to maintain the limit. You should not put that limit. That is important. When tq is equal to 1 plus x to the power 8. When tq is 1 plus x to the power 8 means what is t? 1 plus 8 whole to the power 1 by 3. When x 0, what is t? T is equal to 1. Because when x 0, you have to put here t is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, you have to put here t is equal to 1 plus 1, that is 2 to the power 1 by 3. So when x 0, look at here. When x 0, what is t? You have to write that t. When x 1, t is what? 2 to the power 1 by 3. You have to write 2 to the power 1 by 3. And in this place you have to put t. And in this place, what is this? X to the power 7 dx, you have to put 3 by 8 t square dt. 3 by 8, I am coming outside. 3 by 8 t square dt. Okay, I am writing it here. Suppose it is 3 by 8 t square dt, then 3 by 8 will come outside, then you will integrate and find. Okay. Now last two problem you can do by yourself. Now take the screenshot of these 8 problems. I will do one by one. It is very easy. Cos x minus sin x dx 0 to pi by 2. First integrate partly. Cos x का इंटीग्रेशन sin x है. sin x का इंटीग्रेशन कितना होगा? माइनस cos x होगा. इसलिए ये माइनस माइनस cos x प्लस हो गया. 0 to pi by 2. Then put the values. First put the upper limits. Then put the lower limits and get the answer. Similarly, what is cos 2x? Cos 2x का इंटीग्रेशन sin 2x by 2 है. 0 to pi by 4. 1 by 2 बाहर आ जाएगा. तो यहाँ से pi by 4 पुट करने से कितना होगा? sin 2 into pi by 4 minus sin 0. Then you will get the answer. Similarly, tan square x का इंटीग्रेशन 0 to pi by 4 कितना होगा? Tan square का sec square x minus 1 0 to pi by 4. So it is sec square x का इंटीग्रेशन कितना है? Tan x 1 dx का कितना होगा? x 0 to pi by 4. Then put the upper limit tan pi by 4 1 minus pi by 4. Then you will put the lower limit, that is tan 0 0 minus 0. I am not writing because the values are 0. Now 3 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. 3 by 2. 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. 3 by 2. 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 sin x. Okay. Now what is the integration of sin x? That is minus cos x and 0 to pi. First put the upper limit minus lower limit, that is minus 1. It is 1. Then the value is minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 by 2 into minus 2, that is 3. Now 0 to pi by 4 sin 2x cos x dx 1 by 2. Multiply 2 and divide 2. So 1 by 2, 2 sin a cos b, and the value is 2 sin a cos b is sin a plus b plus sin a plus b means sin 2x plus x, sin 3x plus sin a minus b, sin 2x minus x, that is sin x. Then integration of sin 3x minus cos 3x by 3, and integration of sin x is minus cos x. Okay, then 1 by 2 cos 3x minus is taking outside, and cos 3x by 3 plus cos x. Mind it, put the value of cos pi by 4 here. Cos 3 pi by 4, it is minus 1 by root 2. I am not writing it. You can do it by yourself. Okay, I am doing minus 1 by 2. When you will put the upper limit, cos pi by 3 pi by 4, that is minus 1 by root 2 into 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into 1 by root 2. And you have to put pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Then put 0 minus. What is cos 0? Cos 0 is 1 and it is minus 1 by 3. And minus cos 0, 1. Then you have to go and simplify this. You will get the answer. Okay. Now look at this problem. 1 plus cos 2x by 1 minus cos 2x. It is 2 cos square x by 2 sin square x. Now it is cot square x. Cot square x is cosec square x minus 1. Cosec square x का integration minus cot x है. Minus x, you have to take minus common. cot x plus x, pi by 6, pi by 3, then put the upper limit, then minus the lower limit, you will find the answer by simplifying this. And it is cot x का इंटीग्रेशन कितना होगा? cot x का इंटीग्रेशन minus ln sin x. Then you will put, I am directly writing b double I, it is minus ln sin x. Integration result pi by 4 to pi by 2. Minus is taking outside, minus ln sin pi by 2 minus ln sin pi by 4. Sin pi by 2 is what? 0. And it is answer is it is 0 because sin pi by 2 is 1. ln 1 is 0. So it is ln sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. ln 1 by root 2. Okay, it is the answer ln 1 by root 2. And at last I will do number b triple I. Sorry, I have told you in wrong. That is cot x integration is ln sin x. ln sin x. Okay. Now the result is what? Minus result is minus ln 1 by root 2. That is ln 1 minus ln root 2 whole to the power whole what? इसका पहले माइनस है because it is 0 plus into minus minus ln 1 by root 2. It is ln 1. ln 1 is what? 0. Then it is ln root 2. That is root 2 means 2 to the power half. Half ln 2 is the answer. Half ln 2 is the answer.